How to fix iPhone photos too dark issue. To fix this, first of all, what you need to do is open your settings you have in your device and then go through the camera. Now, from there, click on the photographic styles and then hit on the use standard option that appears. Once you start using standard, your too dark issue will be solved. If it is still not solved, then go through the general you have in your settings and then scroll down. Go through the software update and check if any updates are available. If there are any, then do update and then hit on the transfer or reset iPhone and reset all of your settings. Once you do that, your issue of too dark photos will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.